Buc-ee's.
That's the biggest one.
I want to go to Buc-ee's. I need to get myself a brisket sandwich. Some people love it. Some people hate it. We're going to find out. Thumbs up or thumbs down for you? Our first time. Sausage, turkey, and I don't even know. It's a 3 meat. I can't do it. Here's a small side. Okay, good.
There you go. How is it?
That's good.
All right.
Go, Tennessee.
It's a lot of stress.
Yay, we got your state.
It's in the lines.
Is it?
Good enough.
All ready to hit the road. Do you see the chickens? Are you trying to bark at the chickens? it. I'm getting closer.
All right, it's joke time. And in keeping with the farm theme that we kind of had going on this video, wanted to keep the joke in a farm theme. Also, this joke has been brought to you by a word from our sponsor. No, has been brought to you by our good friend's grandson, Baker Sharp. This one's for you, Baker. All right. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Because! Thanks, Baker.
Tell me you travel in a Class A without telling me you travel in a Class A.